Hey guys, join me as I go make hair for a client. My face was still swollen because it was morning and I was quite tired. So before now, we decided to use Lush product to make the. We had to get Lush coils, Lush attachment, color 350, like it's a ginger color. So we started there, and then my client was helping me. As you can see, really helping me. So she decided to entertain me now with a movie. I mean, we're watching one Ghanaian movie like that. Well, I think it made us a little bit slow. Yeah, but we were like halfway done. I think so. At this point, she was checking out her hair like, oh, she really liked it. And I'm like, oh, yeah, she got what she wanted. So yeah, I was restyling the curls. Yeah, I was restyling the curls, and yeah, she was so happy that she got what she wanted. I mean, see the full look now. Yeah, the camera didn't do justice to how fine the hair was. Yeah, but I'm grateful to the cameraman because I wasn't the one making the video. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Please follow for more content at Shumod Hair on hygiene. Subscribe